It's the Beat Handle.
Welcome to another tutorial video. This is Law Academy. My name is David Ando and I'll be your tutor for today. Sometimes you want to copy a project from a studio to another studio and you find out that the size of the project is very large. There is a way in which you can reduce the size of the project. The file size of the project you are copying is too large. This is because everything you have been doing on the project, the audio recordings in the project that you have even removed, are still in the project folder. For example, you capture a lead vocal that you feel it's not right enough and you retake those vocals. You delete some drums take, guitar takes, and you replaced with a new take. All the takes that you recorded in your project still stays in the project folder. So how do you get rid of all this content? Though you have deleted them in the project, but all those things still stays in your project. So you are only removing it from your workspace, but you have not actually removed it completely from the project, which means you can bring those things back into your project if you need them. So to completely remove all these unused content, unused audio clips, audio files from your project folder, what you need to do is go to the pool. So all those things that you are recording are actually going to the pool. And the shortcut for this on Cubase is Ctrl P. So you can go to your media and click on Open Pool Windows. So every audio files, every take that you record in your project will be in this place. So these are the audios that you have recorded in this project. Okay. Those ones that have content, we have this plus sign in front of them. Those takes that you don't need, that you have deleted from your workspace, which you thought has been completely removed, but they are adding up space to the total size of your project. What you need to do is to right click and you remove what? Unused media. This will remove every unused media from your project completely. So now you are given two options, either to move to trash or remove from pool. Clicking on this trash will further search your project for any audio clips or channels that you have removed that are not yet in the trash, and we move them to the trash. So when you say move to trash, when you click on trash and you check your trash, you see you have more contents coming into the trash from your audio clicks. So this will assure us that when we completely delete all these things, we have completely eradicated all the contents that are adding up space, unnecessary contents that are adding space or adding size to our project folder. So what we need to do now is to empty the trash. We click on empty trash and we click on erase. Okay, do you want to erase the files from hard disk or only remove clips from pool? So if we still want to remove those clips from the pool, but we are not removing them completely from our hard disks, but what we want to do now is to erase them completely from the hard disk space, so we can it can free some space on our hard drive and reduce the size of the actual file. So you click on erase and that will remove every content in your trash, and you are sure that everything you have in your project are actual things that you need in that project. Okay, so that is how you remove unwanted files from your project. See you in the next lecture. I've mistaken, or you are
listen.